Hello everyone, welcome to Polyset virtual classes. Today we are going to see about quadratic equation. Let us know first of all what is quadratic equation. Quadratic equation, an equation that is made up of polynomial of degree 2, graphs of two variable quadratic equations or parabola. So here what they are trying to say over here, when the degree is 2, as we learnt already in the polynomials, when the degree is 2, what you will say? It is a quadratic equation. What is the type of graph we are having for the quadratic equation? It is parabola. For linear equation, you will have a graph as straight line. Okay, for quadratic you will say the graph as parabola. Right? So what is the standard form of the quadratic equation? Usually what we will do, ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. What is the standard form? Ax squared you can see, right? What is the degree over here? 2, right? So ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. That is the standard form for the quadratic equation. Now let us see how, because equation is there, obviously we people know we have to solve it, right? So what are the types how we can, different ways you can solve this equation. First way is factorizing way, then you can do with a graphing method, then completing square method, then quadratic formula. Let us see this one by one in detail, how we can do it. First we are going to see with a graphing method. As you people know, graphing method is very easy, right? So what you will do, first whatever the quadratic equation they have given, you take it as y equal to. So y equal to 2x squared plus 8x plus 6. What I'm substituting? First I'm substituting the value 0 for y. So what is the answer? You will get it only 6. So next I'm substituting the value of minus 1. So if I'm substituting minus 1, what is the answer? You will get it 2 into minus 1 the whole square plus 8 into minus 1 plus 6. Right? If I'm simplifying that, my answer will be 0. Like that, I'm substituting one by one thing in the equation and getting the value. Then plot it on the graph. For this value, plot it on the graph. You can see the point which is intersecting at x-axis. That is a solution for your equation. That is a solution for your equation. Here you can see in this graph, it is intersecting at x-axis where? It is minus 3 and minus 1. So what is a solution for this graph? Minus 3 comma minus 1. Right? Next we are going to see about completing square method. What is meant by completing square method? As you people know, what is meant by completing square method? Square means obviously the power will be what? 2. Right? What we are going to do over here is, here, what they have given here, x squared minus 4x plus 9 equal to 0. This is the equation what they have given to you, right? So, what we are going to do over here? So, here we are going to check out with this. First, what we will do? We'll take this 9 to the other side, right? So, whatever the x squared minus 4x is equal to minus 9. Right? Now what is they are saying, what we are trying to do over here is, we have to get this in the form of a plus b the whole square. What we have to do it? We have to get it in the form of a plus b the whole square. So how can I get it? So as you people are seeing here, this is a term of what? A squared, right? This is a term of minus 2ab, right? This is a term of minus 2ab. So in the place of 2b, what is it? In the place of 2b, we are having 4. The place of 2b, what we are having? 4. So, what is the value of b? So, the value of b will be what? b equal to 4 by 2. Right? It is nothing but what? 4b equal to 2. As I got it, what is the value for b? 2. Right? So, what I can do now? So, how can I write this? This is b value is 2. For this, we know what? B value is 2. Right? So, whatever I got it over here, b value was 2. What I'm going to do over here is, I'm going to add it and subtract it, that term to get us a formula. So, what can I do over here? X squared minus 4x plus, what is that over here? Plus 2 squared, right? Minus 2 squared equal to how much? What is that thing we got it on the right hand side? It is minus 9. Right? So, what you will get over here, minus 2 squared, it's nothing but the formula of a plus b, a minus b the whole square, right? So, what is the formula? A is nothing but here x. What is b? We got it already 2, right? X minus 2 the whole square. Right? This I have written as what? X minus 2 the whole square. So x minus 2 the whole square equal to, already we are having what on right hand side? Minus 9. I am taking this to other side. So it will be 2 squared is what? 4. Right? So what you will get it over here? It will be minus 5. So x minus 2 the whole squared equal to minus 5. Right? So what is answer? If squaring on both sides. So what I will get it over here if I am squaring on both sides? X minus 5 equal to minus root 5 or plus root 5. Two values. Whenever I am squaring on both sides, in this problem you have to take it with either plus sign also as well as minus sign also you will take it up. Okay. Next what we are going to do, what is the value for this x now? So x will be 2 plus root 5 or 2 minus root 5. That is the value of x. Whenever you are getting a problem with a completing square method, you have to use the a plus b the whole squared, a or a minus b the whole squared formula. So let us check with the next method, factorizing method. What is mean by factorizing? Factorizing it's nothing but, as you people know, expressing the number in the form of products. Okay, so usually you will say this as what? X squared. This is sum of the term. What you will say? This will be sum of the term. Okay, in your quadratic equation you will say that as a sum of the terms. And whatever you are getting as a constant, you will say it as product of terms. You will say it as what? Product of terms. What you have to see over here, how we have to solve this problem means, first multiply this product of the terms and x squared. So what is it with the product of the term? 54 into 1 will give you what? 54, right? A into C. Next, what is the sum of the term? It is minus 15. So what I have to do, if I multiply this two number, I have to get this answer. If I add or subtract, I have to get this answer. Okay, as you people know, 54 will come in. First, if I am taking with the two tables, it is a too lengthy number, right? Then if I'm going with the 3 tables, it is not possible. With the 4 tables also, it is not possible. Then I'm going it with the 6 table. 6 9s are 54. See, if I'm doing both as negative, it is minus 15, right? So 6 9s are what? 54. I got a positive 54 and both are negative. Add and put the same sign. It will be minus 15. So in the place of minus 15, what I'm going to write it? Minus 6 and minus 9. So x squared minus 6x minus 9x plus 54 equal to 0. So in this term, what is common? X is common. I have taken out. So x minus 6. In this, what is common? 9 is common. I have taken out. So x minus 6. You can see the factors are x minus 6 and the x minus 9 equal to 0. So what is the x value over here? X minus 6 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 6. X minus 9 equal to 0. X is equal to 9. Like this, you can solve this through factorization method. Right? This is called factorization method. Next, we are going to see about quadratic formula. What is a formula? Minus b plus or minus b squared minus 4ac by 2a. Or you can say this plus or minus they have written as separate. One is with plus, another one with minus. Right? So this is a very easy method as you can do it directly from the question itself. As you people know, what is the formula for the standard form? Ax squared plus bx plus c. Right? Bx plus c. So in the place of b, whatever it is there, you will get it over here. Right? So bx. What is bx over here? So ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. So what is a over here? 1. Coefficient of x squared is 1. What is the coefficient of b? It's minus 7. Always remember to take it with the sign. Okay. What is c? Minus 3. Just I'm going to apply in the formula. What is the formula? We learnt it over here. Minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac by 2a. Right. That is a formula we learnt it. So x is equal to, what is b? 7. Minus of minus will turn as plus 7, right? 7 plus or minus square root of 7 squared minus 4 into 1 into minus 3 by 2 into 1. Okay. So what is the answer? You will get it. If I simplify this, 7 plus or minus root of 7 squared is how much? 49 plus 4 into 1 is 1 into 3 is 12 by 2. So root 61 by 2. So what I'm doing over here, 7 by 2 plus or minus root 61 by 2. If I'm taking the approximate value of this, one I'll write it with a plus term, another one I'll write it as a minus term. Right? If I'm adding this, I'll get x as what? One of the values, 7.4051248, and another value as what? Z minus 0.1 40512, okay, this is a value we will get it. Yes, so here it is an important question. Here comes over here. They will give you the quadratic equation and they will ask you what is how many solutions you will have, right? And what is the nature of the root, like that they can ask you the question. So what that is called, how will you find out? It's very easy. This portion, whatever we learnt in quadratic formula, no, b squared minus 4ac, this you will say it as discriminant. What you will say? This is as discriminant. This discriminant shows how many solution you will get it for your quadratic equation. If I substitute this values from your equation, if this discriminant is greater than 0, then how many solutions you will have? So you will have 2 real solutions. If it is equal to 0, then you will have 1 real solution. If it is less than 0, you will get no real solutions. Okay. So you have to remember this condition. Greater than 0, it will be 2 unequal roots also we can say. You will say it as what? 2 unequal roots also you will say. Right? Unequal roots also you can say. Same way, you will say that it will be as if it is equal to 0. You will say it as what? 2 equal roots. 2 equal roots also you can say. If it is less than 0, obviously you don't have any roots. There is no real solution for this. Okay. Then what? Just let us recap whatever we learnt it in the quadratic equation. So what is a quadratic equation? When the degree is 2. What is the general form we learnt it? Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Right? So in that, how will you find out the solution? We are having a different method. 3 different methods we learnt it. Right? So what are the different methods we learnt it? First is factorization method. Splitting the middle term, and it will give you the 0 of the, that is a factor, right? Then method 2 we have done with the completing square method. Then third method we have done with what? Quadratic formula, right? If the discriminant is greater than 0, you will have real and distinct root. Okay. If it is equal to 0, then you will get it what? Equal roots. If it is less than 0, then you won't get any real roots. I hope so now it's clear to you about the quadratic equation. Thank you for watching.